We got a bounce and a stall here on Friday where I believe should be a resistance point for the Russell. That said, our primary resistance point isn't up until around 1450-ish. If we have the SPX that really pushes into that resistance level, we may get, up into this range on the Russell. My point being, I wouldn't consider this being that big of a resistance level, because when you look what happened on the way down, we just crashed right through it, didn't even stall here. So that kind of drops the merit, although it is trying to stall it here. That's my thoughts here. Still bearish, and if we get the Dow that breaks higher, the NDX that breaks its resistance level, and then the SPX breaks its resistance level, it doesn't matter really where this one is. It's likely coming up into this range here. That's my thoughts on the market. It's a little complex, I guess, but again, predominantly bearish with the information we currently have. We're still solidly bearish in our posturing for the upcoming couple of weeks.